Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. You have made it to week 5 of our virtual summer reading program here at the Maitland Public Library. And this week we are talking all about fish. Fish are pretty cool, and there's so many different kinds. And I always wanted to have an aquarium, but they are a lot of work to take care of. But this aquarium that you're gonna make this week is so easy. You'll never have to clean it out. It's the best kind of aquarium. So what you have there in front of you in your envelope marked week 5, you have 2 pieces of blue construction paper. You have this sheet right here that has your fishy outline on it. And you have this, which is the background. So I just used a really basic Amazon box, because heaven knows we all probably have lots of Amazon boxes sitting around after the last year. But any kind of box, a shoe box is ideal. Anything around about this size will be absolutely perfect. So what I did is I just took my blue paper and I lined the sides and the bottom. And I just used a little bit of glue. I used my glue stick to get that on there. And then I just trimmed the extra off of the edges. And then this sheet right here, the background, I colored in and taped to the very back. It'd be a better view of it there. And then of course you will color in your fishies. And I just put a little bit of string on each one, and then I tape the string to the top so it looks like they're swimming around. They are very colorful. They are a new version of rainbow fish, really. So of course you have your instructions right there with all of your other paper supplies in your envelope for week 5. If you have any questions, they will be answered right here. But I can't wait to see how your aquariums turn out. If you would be so kind, if you make a really cool one, take a picture and add a comment at the bottom of this video. We would really, really love to see them. I hope you guys are really enjoying our summer reading program this year, even if it's a little bit different than normal. We will see you next week for week 6. Bye.